In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create profile on Gumroad. By the end, you'll have a clean professional profile page that highlights your work and gives visitors clear ways to follow and buy from you. Start by opening your Gumroad dashboard. This is your home base, where you manage products, posts, and your storefront. Look to the bottom left corner and click the profile icon. That opens a small panel with options tied to your public presence. Choose Profile. This takes you to the public-facing area customers will see, and it's where you'll build and organize your pages. To create a new page for your profile, find the three-dot menu near your profile header or controls. Click it to reveal more options, then select Pages. This opens the Page Manager where you can see existing pages and add new ones. Click New Page to start fresh. You'll be prompted to name it. Pick a clear descriptive name, something like Home, Portfolio, Shop, or Blog, so visitors immediately understand what the page is about. Keep it short and consistent with your brand. Once your page is created, you'll land in the editor. Click the plus sign to add content blocks. You'll see a menu with several building blocks you can mix and match. Products lets you showcase items you're selling. Use it to display a grid or list of your best offerings. Post pulls in your published updates, great for sharing announcements or behind-the-scenes content. Featured product spotlights a single item with extra emphasis, perfect for a flagship product or a timely launch. Rich text gives you flexible text and images, ideal for an introduction, an about section, FAQs, or simple formatting. Subscribe adds an email capture form so visitors can join your list. It's a powerful way to build an audience even before they buy. Wish lists encourages people to save items they're interested in, helping you gauge demand and bring them back later. Add the blocks that make sense for this page's purpose. Lead with a short, rich text welcome, then highlight a featured product or a product section to drive action. If content is your focus, surface posts near the top. Place the subscribe block in a prominent spot so you're always growing your list. Keep your layout simple and scannable and use consistent headings and images for a polished look. That's it. Open your dashboard, go to Profile, use the three-dot menu to access pages, create a new page, name it clearly, click the plus sign, and add the blocks you need. When you're done, your Gumroad profile will be ready for visitors to explore and support your work.